Yes, I believe the technical due diligence for this acquisition is strong, as well as some of the key team players. DiPaola Consulting was found on three main pillars: inspiration, design, and commercialization. The inspiration side of our business covers many aspects. This could include helping a company develop a new vision for the future. It could be understanding a new market that they want to play in and what technology they need to differentiate themselves from the competition. Sometimes we look in the financials of a business to understand where are they spending their money and how can they better spend those dollars to ensure year-on-year growth. The design side of our business focuses on developing products. We take a little bit different approach in that we put manufacturing and quality up front before we even put pen to the paper. We want to make sure that our manufacturing methods are extremely straightforward and that we build in quality, whether that's test methods, controls, measurement techniques, right into the design so we can produce a product with high yields that functions to the design intent and has extremely high quality out of the gate. Design is also a successful marriage between hardware and software to have a complete system. This requires really great algorithms, a stellar user experience, maintaining high performance, yet keeping it very simple to use. We use a variety of analysis tools to help us get to the solution faster and to ensure that our products are robust. These include finite element analysis, 3D modeling, thread analysis, complex MATLAB models, machine learning, and various other tools. We believe physical testing is extremely important to validate your products. We test as early and as often as possible, and all the way up through the pilot phase of production. We also do ongoing testing once we're in production to ensure that we will produce a quality product. The commercialization side of our business focuses on bringing our designs through volume manufacturing and puts them in the hands of consumers. This includes making sure that our manufacturing has extremely high yields, our quality is excellent so that we get next to zero field returns, that we're able to scale the business at healthy margins and across multiple platforms. DiPaola Consulting focuses on the development of electromechanical devices. This could include sensors, MEMS, nanotechnology, medical devices, wireless, and a range of other products across multiple industries. When the phone rings, we really don't know what we'll be working on next. Because our breadth of applications is so wide, it could be working on a device for a heavy truck and off-road application. It could be for automotive or consumer electronics. We could be doing a cryogenic application for an industrial customer. Most recently, we've started work on our largest electromechanical product, and that's a residential home. I love it when someone asks, how are you so confident that we can do this when this has never been done before? And for that, I draw on experience. There's been numerous times in my career where I've tackled a problem that's never been accomplished before. And what it requires is to dig deep into the details, to understand the physics of the problem, and to come up with a creative solution. And that's when it really becomes fun. And this is Zeppelin. He's the rock star of the operation. He's the one who gets us all the business because of his good looks. Yeah, you're working hard, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good boy, Bubby.